Let's discuss mixed exercise question number 1. There are two simultaneous equations where k is constant. Show that y equal minus 2. When you look at that, you can see that part A, we want to show that y equal minus 2. And the clue is simultaneous equation. It means we can assume that we have to solve those two equations simultaneously. And in this equation, what usually we do in a simultaneous equation, we eliminate x or y. Now, since this is the equation, I can assume that I can give a guess that x is go missing in this equation. And now I will take that as a clue that we have to eliminate x, then y is remaining. So having this, and I will check this one, this is 2. I'm going to x out, so I'll multiply by 2, 1 multiply by 2, 4k x minus 2y equal 8. This is 3. Now I minus 3 minus 2, then 3, left side of 3 is 4k x minus 2y minus left side of 2, 4kx plus 3y equal 8 minus 2. 8 minus the right side minus 2. 4kx minus 2y minus 4kx minus 3y equal 8 plus 2 equal 10. This is cancel out. Minus 5 equal 10. I divide both sides by minus 5, then y equal minus 2. Part B, we need to find the x. Then from 1, 2kx equal y plus 4. Then 2kx equal y mean now minus 2 plus 4, which is 2. 2kx is 2. Then x is 2 divided by 2k, which is 1 over k. Question number 2, we have to solve the equation simultaneously. I rewrite this equation because I'm going to fix this one separately. 2y equal 3 minus x. Because I can see that when I look at this equation, if I take x to other sides, this is going to be 2y. Then I square, I can make 4y square here. So 2y equal 3 minus x. Then I square this one. This has become 4y square. Actually, better to write in a 2-step. Then I square this one. 4y square equal 3 minus x square. Now this is 1 and this is 2. 1 plus 2. 1 is 4y square plus 2 is x square minus 4y square. 3 minus x square plus 33. This is cancel out. X square equal. Now I want to expand this one. 9, 6x plus x square plus 33. This is minus, and because of that This is minus. When we add those two, this has become minus. Now we have to cancel out. Okay, I will bring everything here. X square, this one, minus x square plus 6x, 9 minus 33. This is cancel out. 6x equal minus 24. Then 6x equal minus 24. Divide by both sides. X equal minus 4. Now we want to find the y value. From 3, x plus 2y equal 3, 2y equal 3 minus x, then 2y equal 3 minus 4, which is 3 plus 4, 2y, 7, 2y equals 7, then y equals 7 by 2. So the answer is minus 4 and 7 over 2. Try to work out this sum in different ways to get a good experience. Instead of making 2y as a subject, you can make x as a subject and you can substitute and work. In previous sum, what we discussed, usually students used to do x equal 3 minus 2y and they will substitute x square minus instead of x square they write, okay, this is x square, 3 minus 2y square, then this has become 3 minus 2y square minus 4y square minus 32. That also possible. Usually I work differently. Then you will see that different ways. Question number 3. When you look at the question, they will ask that show that 5 square plus 3y minus 8 equals 0, part A. They will give a guidance on this one. What is the guidance given by them? They ask us to make an equation with y, not x. Then we have to eliminate x because if you try to eliminate y, it is difficult. And assume that if they ask to solve this equation, then which one you are going to eliminate, x or y? So you can look at by doing this. You can decide by looking at the equation. When you look at how many times y appear here, 2 times. If you make y as a subject and if you are going to substitute here, you have to substitute 2 times. But in this case, you have to, if you substitute x, you have to substitute only 1 time. Because of that reason, from 1, x equal 1 plus 2y. Now this is 3. Now substitute 3 to 2. This 3 value to 2. So 3. Now x, what is x mean? 1 plus 2y, always bracket, times y minus y square equal 8. Now this is become 3 times y plus 2y square minus y square equal 8. 3y plus 6y square equal y square equal 8. So 3y plus y square equal 8. Now 5y square plus 3y minus 8 equal 0. So we are at the part 1 now. Hence, part B, find the pair of x, y, 4 simultaneous. Okay, now we have to solve this equation and we have to get to two answers for y. Now I can bracket out that 5 y plus 8 and y minus 1 equal 0. 5 was 8 equals 0 or 1 minus 1 equals 0. Y equal 8 minus y or y equal 1. Okay, it's not the answer yet. Now we have two y values. We need to find x from 3 when x equal minus 8 over 5. Sorry, y equal minus 8 over 5. X equal 1 plus minus 8 over 5. 1 plus 2 times y, you mean minus 8 over 5. 1 minus 16 over 5. 5 minus 16 over 5 minus 11 over 5. And when x equal y equal 1, x equal 1 plus 2 times 1, which is 3. So we found out two solutions now. One is minus 11 over 5 minus 8 over 5 and the other one is 3, 1. Now question number 4. By eliminating y. So they give in instructions, even they don't give if. So we want to show this one. And you can see that in this equation there is no y in there. In that case you have to assume that you have to remove y. So from 1 y equal 2 minus x, then this is 2 and this is 3. Substitute 3 to 2, then x square plus x times y. Now we know y value is 2 minus x minus y is, okay, y square. Y mean 2 minus x and y square mean you have to square it, equal minus 1. X square plus 2 x minus x square minus 4 minus 2x plus x square minus 1. I square this one. X square plus, I can see this is cancel out. 2x minus 4, I'm taking the bracket out with the minus symbol, negative symbol. This is become plus 2x. This is minus x equal minus 1. So 2 plus 2, 4x minus 4 minus x square equal minus 1. Now I'll take everything to this side. 0 equal x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 1, which will give x square minus 4x plus 3 equal 0. Let me check now the calculation is right. I can see that this is going to be 4. 4 times 4, then this has become 4. And this has become 4 plus 2, 6. And this has become 6. So x square minus 6x plus 3 equal 0. Now you can see that given x and y in the form a plus or minus b, it means it has a plus or minus uh, with the square root 6. It means this is a clue that we have to use the quadratic formula. So I am not even trying to factorize this one with. So x equal then a equal 1, b equal minus 6, c is x equal minus 6 minus b plus or minus b square minus 6 square minus 4 times 1 times 3 over 2 times 1 a. So this is 6 plus or minus 36 minus 12 yes over 2. We'll simplify 6 plus or minus, this is going to be 36 24 over 2. So 6 plus or minus, you can write 2 square root 6 over 2, this one. Then I am dividing by 2. This is become 3 plus or minus square root 6. Then we can find y from 3. Y equal to minus x means 3 plus or minus square root 6. 2 minus 3 minus times plus minus minus times minus plus square root 6. So this is minus or plus square root 6. So x value is 3 plus or minus square root 6 and y value is minus 1 minus or plus square root 6. So you can write two answers. We'll take plus 3 plus square root 6 and the relevant y value minus 1 minus square root 6 and then negative value 3 minus square root 6 and the relevant value minus plus square root 6. If you want, you can present like this as well. Let's discuss question 5. 3x and 9y minus 1. And if you see this kind of form, we have only two options. Assume that ax and ay, we can solve only in this form. If you see x and ay, then you can conclude that x equal y. Or if you have ax and bx, then your conclusion is a equal b. This is the only two form you can check. Now you can see that which one we can easily turn onto this one. I can see that this is 3x and 9 I can write as 3 square. So 3x 3 square times y minus 1. Now 3x means 3 2 times y minus 1. Now it is in this form. Then our conclusion is x equal 2 times y minus 1. So x equal 2y minus 2. Yes, show that. So we did it now. Also, you can think about when you look at this one, this two set x should be equal basically. This is x and this is y minus 1. You can't make equal to y basically. If it is x terms, we can look at it, but not for y. Then definitely we have to go for this option, not this option. Now this is x square equal y square plus 7. 1. So I'll 1 square, because I can see that I need x square. I can square this the first equation from 1 square mean x square equal 2y minus 2 square. I square this equation. I will write as 3. Now you can two arguments, either 2 minus 3 also you work, or a equal b, a equal c, then b equal c. Either this one you can apply. So I'll go for this one. Hence y square plus 7 equal 2y minus 2 square. Y square plus 7 equal 4y square minus 8y plus 4. I'll bring to other side. 0 equal 4y square minus y square minus 8y plus 4 minus 3. So 0 equal 4y square, which is 3y square, minus 8y minus 3 equals 0. Now we can bracket out this one. 3y plus 1 and y minus 3 equal 0. So y equal minus 1 over 3, or y equal 3. Now from 1, x equal 2 times minus 1 over 3 minus 2, minus 2 over 3 minus 2, minus 2 over 3, minus 6 over 3, minus 8 over 3. So 1 is minus 8 over 3, minus 1 over 3. Then again, when y equal 3, x equal 2 times 3 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 4. Other one is 4, 3. Question number 6. Now we have to solve this one. I can see that there are two y values here and one x value. So it is easy to substitute 1x than 2. Because of that, I'm not going to make y as a subject. I am going to make x as a subject. So from 1, x equal 3 minus 2y. Then x square equal 3 minus 2y square. From 2 and 3. 3 minus, I consider, okay, we'll write like this. Substitute 3 to 2. So x square value is 3 minus 2y square minus 2y plus 4y square equal 18. So this is as it is, this is as it is. Instead of x square, I sub 3 minus 2y square. Now simplify. 9, 3 times 2, 6 times double 12y plus 4y square minus 2y plus 4y square equal 18. y square 4y square 8y square minus 12y minus 2y minus 14y and plus 9 and minus 18 minus 9 equal 0. Now 4y minus 9 2y plus 1 equals 0, y equal 9 over 4 or y equal minus half. Now I want to find x from 1 from 4 x equal 3 minus 2y. X equal 3 times 2 when y equal 9 over 4 x equal 3 times 2 9 over 4. 3 minus 18 over 4 9 minus 18 over 4 mean 9 over 2. So 18 minus 9 over 2 which is 9 over 2. Small correction. Instead of 3 I wrote here 9. This has to be 3 and this has to be 3. So then this is going to be 6 and this is going to be minus 3 over 2. When y equal minus half, x equal 3 times 2 times minus half. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 and minus half. Another answer is minus 3 over 2, 9 over 4. Let's discuss number 7. K square minus xy plus k plus x equal 1. And yes, where k is a non-zero constant, intersect at a single point. Right? So find the value of k. So in this kind of sum, we have to make a quadratic equation with k, and then we want to look at the discriminant b square minus 4ac, because single point means one intersection point. Assume this is a quadratic. Now in here there are 2 points. It means quadratic equation b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Now only one intersection point. It means it is a repeated root, something like this. To have this kind of thing, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So this is the plan. Now we'll get a quadratic equation, and then from that we'll make b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Then we will be able to find k. You can eliminate x or y, it is up to you. Kx square minus xy plus k plus 1 x equal 1. And minus k over 2 x plus y equal 1. When I look at that, I can see that only y1 y value and 3 x values. So best thing is replace this y. So then 1, this is 2. From 2 I can write y equal k2x plus 1. I bring to the other side. Then 3. Substitute 3 to 1. So kx square minus x times k over 2x plus 1 plus k plus 1 x equal 1. Kx square minus k over 2 x times x square and minus times minus x plus kx plus x. I expand this one. Minus 1 equals 0. Now kx square k over 2x square minus x plus x cancel out plus kx minus 1 equals 0. I multiply by I take this is 4 multiplied by 2 everything because I can take this 2 out. So then this is going to be 2kx square, this is cancel out 2kx square plus 2kx minus 2 equals 0. 2kx square minus kx square become kx square plus 2kx minus 2 equals 0. Now since there is only one solution, then b square minus 4ac has to be equal to 0. From here a equal k, b equal 2k and c equal minus 2. b square mean 2k square minus 4 times a mean k, c times mean minus 2 equals 0. 4k square plus 8k equals 0. K times k plus 1 equals 0. Something wrong. I'll divide by 4 both sides. K square plus 2k equals 0. K and k plus 2 equals 0. K equals 0 or k equal minus 2. Now, what will happen? K equals 0. This is become 0 and there is no equation exists to discuss. There is that quadratic equation become linear. That's why they put k. They can't be in here. K is not equal to 0. Then we have to exclude this answer as k can't be 0. Now only one value k has to be minus 2. Now part B. We need to find the curve. When k equal minus 2, when we sub, we will get the curve. Curve means a quadratic equation we need. So minus 2x square minus xy plus minus 2 plus 1x equal 1. So minus 2x square minus xy, this is going to be minus x, minus 1 equals 0. I'll bring to the left side. then I'll multiply by minus, then this has become, or take everything to the right side, you will get 2x square plus xy plus x plus 1 equal 6. Now y equal 1 plus k over 2x, k is minus 2, then you will get 1 minus x when you put when k equal minus 2, y equal 1 minus 2 over 2 x, which is 1 minus x. Now to find the intersection point, you have to solve this one and this one. So you solve this equation in terms of k and you came to this quadratic equation. Now you know you don't need to solve again, you can use this one. Then k equal minus 2 minus 2 square, then minus 4k minus 2 4x, when k equal minus 2, from here I'll substitute minus 2 equals 0. Even if you solve this one, you're going to get this equation. Now from here I can divide both sides by 2. X square plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. It means x plus 1 square equals 0. Then x equal minus 1. Or x plus 1 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0, x equal minus 1, no, x equal minus 1, basically x equal minus 1. When x equal minus 1, from here you can find I'll take this is y equal 1 minus x. I'll take this is 5. From 5, y equal 1 minus minus 1, 1 plus 1, which is 2. So minus 1 and 2 is the intersection point.